In this video, I will work on this problem. This is the probability problem involving tree diagram. A bag contains 15 red marbles and 18 green marbles. We draw 2 marbles from the bag without replacement. Now, first let's draw a tree diagram. In the first draw, we have 2 possibilities, red and green. So let's draw that. Now let's put down the probability for each possibility. We see the total number of marbles in the bag is 15 plus 18, which is 33, and there are 15 red marbles. So the probability of getting red marble is 15 over 33. I am going to put that down on the tree diagram. Next, there are 18 green marbles, so the probability of getting green marble is 18 over 33. So let's put that over here. Here we are drawn with the first draw. Now we will do the second draw. If the first draw was red, then the second draw can be red and green. Similarly, if the first draw was green, then we can again have red and green on the second draw. Now let's put down the probabilities for each possibility in the second draw. Since the marble was not replaced back, the total number of marbles in the bag will be 32 now. And if the first draw was red, we are left with 14 red and 18 green in the bag. So the probability for this red is 14 over 32. And probability of this green will be 18 over 32. Now for the next part, where the first draw was green, we are left with 15 red and 17 green in the bag. So the probability for this red is 15 over 32. And probability of this green will be 17 over 32. Now we are done with the tree diagram, so we will find the probabilities of these 3 events X, Y, and Z. Event X is we get a red and a green marble. So looking at the tree diagram, we have these 2 branches giving us red and green. For the first branch, the probability is 15 over 33 times 18 over 32. And for the other branch, we have 18 over 33 times 15 over 32. Now we just need to evaluate this, and we can do that part in a calculator. So the probability of X equals 0.5114. Now let's move on to the second problem. For event Y, it says 2 green marbles. For that, we look at this branch. So the probability is 18 over 33 times 17 over 32. Now we just need to calculate that, and we can do that in a calculator. Therefore, the probability of event Y is 0.2 0.2898. Now let's work on the third problem here. For event Z, it says two red marbles are drawn, so we are looking at this branch. Therefore, the probability of event Z is 15/33 times 14/32. Now we just need to evaluate that, and that can be done in a calculator. Therefore, the probability of event Z is 0.1989. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be bringing more and more videos on variety of topics.